3, 2, 1, drop it.
Hello guys, good morning, I'm Ella Mike's Yuki Life. Today our vlogs guys is unboxing to my feeding, ano to? My feeding station birds. Yun na unboxing natin guys kasi I love to feed the birds every day kasi very relaxing. Alam niyo yung pagising mo, magkakape na ako dito sa likod ng aming bahay. And anyway, I'm here at the back of my garden. Ayan, this is my favorite place in the morning kasi while I'm watching when I'm listening, while I'm having coffee, I'm listening, the birds always singing in the morning. So this is my favorite place. Pasensya na, medyo kalat. Over that area, that trees is a lot of birds. So I'm going to feed them every morning talaga guys. Kaya this is my feeding station things. Ayan. Ito yung aking i-unboxing. Ayan. This is for the nuts, seeds, mealworms, water, and this is fat balls, and yeah, mealworms, peanuts. So all in one solution, feed garden birds. So I really like this thing because a lot of birds every morning talaga guys, kaya very relaxing. Alam nyo, sometimes in the afternoon having coffee in here with the kids at the school, very relaxing with having coffee or wine. Ayan, naririnig mo yung kanta ng ibon. Oh, see, did you hear that? Nakikisabay din kaya mag-unboxing. Ayan, did you hear that? Ayan, umaano na yun, nag-aantay na yan ng food. Ayan, kaya ito yung ating unboxing. At least meron silang complete food. Ayan, may water, seeds. That all the birds are going to be happy after having exercise. Dami na. Mahaba pa ito. Wala ba? Okay, 6 foot siya guys. 6 siya. Okay. Ayan, ito yung cover sa taas. Then, ito yung tawag nito. Ito yung manual natin. Contents, 1 button pole, this one. Pole, the spike end, yeah. Center pole, top pole, ayan. A double bracket, 1 wing nut, 1 single wrap around the bracket. Ayan, meron tayo ito. Ito yung guys. Ayan, ito yung pinaka-wrap around the bracket. And yes, one mesh desk wrap around the bracket, one finial, and one bird's feeders. Kaya ito lahat. Ngayon, sundan na lang yung ating instruction. All we need to do to follow the instruction. Ayan, para mabuo natin itong tawag ito, yung mga feeders, mga waters dish. Ayan, para mabuo natin. So, ayun na guys, assemble natin. For the seeds. For the seeds. Ito yun guys. Oops. Next. Then, we need to wrap around the pool. We need to wrap around the pool. Oh, baliktad. Yan siya. So cute, diba? Next. Sino pa siya? Yeah,
Look, look, it went in the case.
Yeah. So cute. But yan dito magkasya. The other on the bottom there. Let's try to remove that one. Please. Okay.
Not okay. You should put that. There, it's supposed to be like that.
Yan. Hindi masyado nito. Hold it with it, please.
I'm holding too late.
Okay. Right.
Nope.
Oh, that one in the middle, babe. Put that here in the middle. That one, please.
How is it gonna stand?
Just do it because we put that in the push that in the soil. Oh, you get the hammer, baby, please. Oh, baby, baby.
It's gonna fall down. The water should be on top there.
Okay. So, ayan yung luma ko sa taas, guys. Ayan yung luma ko. And then, the other one is there. So, yan yung pinaka-suki nila. Diba? Very nice. So, this is the one. Ayan. This is the wonder food. Wild birds seeds. At ito yon. To be ano eh. Hold it here, guys. Tatlong kilo din to, guys. So, bali dalawang batch. Birds are makes me very relaxing. Every morning, afternoon, ayan siya.
The ball one comes there in that one.
Yeah, this is my old one. Lagi na yung ano, the old one food in there. Thank you. Yeah. I got this one in Welco. Ayan. Ito yung mga birds na dumadalaw sa akin every now and then. Ayan. So, I have a spare one here. Ano ko tumaabot din? Ito na yung wood piece. Okay. The wood. Next, the bowls. We don't have it. And the water please. And the water. Water. I think more. Yeah, more please. Thank you. And this is my old one, guys. Ayan. Medyo puno sila ng fat balls. So this is the only 3 left in there. Ayan. So my birds are always happy. They always have food.
The water thing, please.
Yeah.
Lower, please.
Yeah. Oh. So all I need the nuts. I have old nuts there, I think. It's some old nuts with it. Still have old nuts there. Yeah. Ayan na guys, the seeds, the fat balls. See? Happy birds. Happy birds. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. And this is Ella Mike's Yuki Life. Bye bye. Yeah, I need to put some in there.